Hi everyone, my name is Craig Stansbury, and welcome to my course, Deploy, Administer, and Secure Palo Alto Firewalls. I'm a network security consultant for my company StansTech. Did you know that networks that do not use next-generation firewalls are unable to secure traffic up to the application layer? In this course, we're going to learn how to deploy a Palo Alto next-generation firewall to secure traffic up to the application layer and secure threats that reside within that traffic. Some of the major topics that we will cover include how to initialize the firewall and configure administrative access, how to properly set up the zones, objects, and routing based on the network layout, and finally, how to secure the traffic using Palo Alto Networks' best practices. By the end of this course, you'll know how to properly deploy a Palo Alto firewall. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with basic routing concepts and TCP/IP. From here, you should feel comfortable diving into Palo Alto content with courses on panorama and high availability, user ID, NAT and VPNs, decrypting traffic, and preventing threats. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn how to deploy Palo Alto's next-generation firewall with the Deploy, Administer, and Secure Palo Alto Firewalls course at Pluralsight.